pay, save, spend, borrow. Do you know money words in English? Today we learn essential finance vocabulary. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Money vocabulary is one of the most practical things to learn. You use it every day, in shops, at the bank, online. Let's start with the basics. Section 1. Basic money vocabulary. Cash, physical money, coins and notes. A coin, round metal money, a note or a bill, paper money. A receipt, the paper you get after paying. A price, how much something costs. A discount, a reduction in price. Free, costs nothing. Expensive, costs a lot. Cheap or affordable, costs a little. How much is it? The most important question when shopping. Section 2. Banking vocabulary. A bank account, where you keep your money. A savings account, for saving money over time. A current account for daily spending. A credit card, borrow money, pay later. A debit card, use your own money directly. To withdraw, take money out of the bank. To deposit, put money into the bank. A PIN, your secret number for payments. An ATM or cash point, machine for withdrawing cash. Practice. Do you have a savings account? Say, yes, I have, or no, I don't. Section 3, talking about money. I can afford it. I have enough money. I can't afford it. It is too expensive for me. I'm saving up for. I am collecting money for something. It's good value. The quality is good for the price. It's a bargain. It's very cheap. I'm on a budget. I have limited money to spend. These phrases sound natural and native. Use them when you talk about shopping or planning. Recap. Money basics. Cash, price, receipt, discount, cheap, expensive. Banking. Account, credit card, withdraw, deposit, ATM. Phrases, I can afford it, I'm saving up, it's a bargain. Your challenge. Describe something you are saving up for. Use I'm saving up for in the comments. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.